Hello everyone, it's me Connie, and guess what? I'm so excited. I have some new digitals for you, and I'm going to call them junk journal filler pages. I will have it listed down below in the description box, a link for you to be able to go straight to my Etsy store to grab these. I am so excited. I can't wait to show you. All right, so here are the, do you ever, okay, so this was my thought pattern when I came up with these. Do you ever think, oh, I don't want to do I wished it just already had a cluster on there so I didn't have to do all, sometimes you want to get through a journal, and not that you want to skip anything, but you just want to add something and you want to take away some of the bulk and stuff like that. Well, this was my thought pattern. Thought pattern? This was my idea behind it. This one has a little lace butterfly and a word thankful for a little cluster, and over here on the bottom it has trust in the Lord. Isn't that the cutest little cluster? And I intentionally brought it over a little bit and up a little bit on both sides, over and down, because sometimes when you put a journal together you have to cut off some of the end because it's so thick, some of the pages poke out. I didn't want you to have to cut into the cluster, so that's why I did that, okay? There's the reason for that. All right. And then here's one with amazing grace and courage. This is like a real pretty little light pink background. This one was like a purple. My printer kind of messed this up, but we're okay. I did work on that and got that straightened out mostly. So anyway, so we have our a light purple. It's really, really pretty. And these are going to go really great with a lot of journals that you may be making, like with My Porch Prints, or well, anybody, like Tracy Fox. I love her, the one with the ballerinas and stuff like that. This would look good with that. I mean, just, it will go, I think, really nicely with whatever digital you choose. I think it's pretty versatile, okay? So there's that. This is real pretty. It's got amazing grace with a piece of lace and a butterfly. This one says courage with a little bit of lace and a butterfly. Isn't that pretty? Okay. And then this one has my strength up there with like a doily, a printed doily thing in the back with some lace and a flower. I thought that was pretty. And then here's one that says he is mighty with the real pretty lace, and I tried to pick some dried flowers, something a little realistic, and I thought that turned out really nicely. This is also a beautiful page that I have a real faint background with flowers on it, and you can, it's not so opaque that you can't write on it. You can still write on these pages, and that's what I wanted. I put a real pretty border around it. I just think it's a really pretty page. I love this. And then there's this one. It does not have any words on it. I thought if you wanted to add your own word, or if you just didn't want any words on this one, but you wanted a cluster, here's this one. It's got some lace behind the flower with some word, like a book page, and then a little piece of washi tape on the flower. I thought that would turn out good. And then this one is like an old book with the key on it with a little lace and some dried flowers laying on top of it. I just think that turned out really pretty. And the background on this has the same flowers that is on the purple. This is a light pink, but they're so faded that you can still write on top of it, but you can still see it. It's really, really pretty. Now this one has like a lacy background. It's a darker brown, but it's not so dark that you cannot write on top of this. So you can still write on this, and it turned out really pretty. Here's one that says My Refuge on top of a piece of washi tape with some flowers, just really random, you know, but I thought it was really pretty. And then here's one with some washi tape and some flowers, and it says Believe and a butterfly. I just thought that was pretty on top of a postcard. Okay, that is real pretty. And then I don't know if you can see like the lacy background. That is really, really nice. And then here it is in a lighter brown, and this one says Choose Joy. I think that's real pretty. And here's one that says, let me see if I'm in frame. It says, The Lord is my shepherd, I have everything I need, Psalms 23. That is so, so pretty. So, and it's a lighter brown. I just think that is so nice. Okay, so there's the stuff with the clusters. And then I did the backgrounds as well. So here is the one with just the, basically it's the purple. Okay. Here's the pink. It's pretty. It's real light shade. Here is the light brown with the lacy background. And you can write on it. I mean, these, you can even put a pocket in your page, however you want to do it. That is so pretty. Here's the darker brown. I just love the way that turned out. Here is the light pink with the full page of flowers as the background. So, so pretty. That is just beautiful. Here is the purple with the full beautiful flowers in the background. Is this the last one? Yeah, this is the last one. This is just an added extra piece. It's the light pink with the flowers along the side. There's no flowers or anything in the middle. It's really, really pretty. If you can see it, it's real light and faint. It's very, very nice. There it is right there. Okay, so let me show you some of these cut out. Let me do that. So here is, I cut them smaller, like if you were putting it in a journal and you want it to take a little extra of the top off and a little more on the sides. This is what it's going to look like. Isn't that pretty? And then I printed the light pink on the back. This is a 20-pound copy paper, so you can kind of see a little bit on the other side, but that's okay with me. I don't mind that at all. So there's this one, and then on the back I have the light pink with the flowers, full page of flowers. Very, very pretty. Now let's fold it and see what that's going to look like. Very, very pretty. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay. Here's the one that says My Refuge with the darker brown and the Believe cluster at the bottom. I put the purple with the full flowers, page of flowers on the back. And I just did that so that both sides would have something. You can put whatever digital on the back of all of these, whatever you want. So that's what this is going to look like. Isn't that beautiful? And you can still write and journal on that. And then here's the cluster up at the top, and you can still journal on that. Here's the solid purple. It still has a little bit of a coffee stain look in the background of these. And then here's the solid pink with all the flowers. It's very, very pretty. Now look how nice that looks. All right. right, here's the old book page. And I put the light brown with the lace background on it. Very nice. Okay. And then here is the Amazing Grace and Courage in the solid pink. And then I put the purple with the full page of flowers on it on the back. And then I left one so I can cut it with you so you can see how I cut it down. I'm going to cut just a little extra off the side so that when I put it in the, if I put it in the middle of the journal and you won't have to cut into your cluster. Okay. And then the top, I'm just going to take a little bit off. It doesn't have to be a lot. You can just take off enough to cut off the white edge. And then over here, I think I'm going to go in a little bit closer to the cluster and cut that off. And then the bottom, the same. I'm just going to go in just a little and take off. And I cut all of them different, so they're not going to be the perfect size for each page, but that's okay because I like different sizes in my journal and everything. And on this side, I did the pink with the little bit of flower detail on each side. Okay, and so I'm going to fold that in half. That is just beautiful. Oh, I love it. All right, so let's put it together. We can even do one in, one out. There's that. And then the cluster is here. So let's do the brown in, brown out. That's pretty. Then let's put the purple in. That's got the pink, and we'll put that one in. And that has got, what's on this side? The pink. Let's just do that. So now we put it all together like it's in a book. Okay. So this is what it's going to look like when you open your pages. You have your little cluster here all ready to go. It's so beautiful. I just love it. Then you have this. You can write on all of this. Then you have your little cluster up here already. I'm just giving you an idea. Then you have your cluster up here. You have a cluster down here. Isn't that pretty? That's a pink, and this is a purple. Here is one with no cluster on it, and then you have full page of flower in the background of it. Here is the little cluster down here. You have your purple and your light brown, and with your little cluster right here. And then your center, we're going to go over to the other side because remember we have clusters that we haven't seen yet. So we open it like this, and we have Choose Joy in your purple. We have My Refuge. So pretty. We have Be Thankful, the word thankful. The book, the old book. Courage, that is so pretty. Just beautiful. And then on the back, My Strength. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, I am just so tickled. I think this is going to be a great, great addition to any journal that you make using whatever digitals you choose. I think this is going to be a great filler for your journals. So with that being said, here it is. You've got your beautiful background pages. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the lace on that. a light brown, then you have your little bit darker with the lace. That is so beautiful. Then your light pink with all the little imprint of flowers. You have the purple with all the imprint of the flowers. Then you have the light pink with the little flowers on each side. So beautiful. So you get that. That's 7 pages right there. And then you get 6 pages of 2 clusters on each page. So there's that one, Thankful, Trust in the Lord, Amazing Grace, Courage, He is Mighty, My Strength. Just love these. This has no words. You can add words if you want. The Old Book, and then this one with the dried flower on top. And this one is the pink with the beautiful flowers on there. This is the darker brown with all the lacy background. It says My Refuge. And then Believe with the washi tape. It's so pretty. And then here's this in the lighter brown that says Choose Joy and the little scripture. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like these. They are so beautiful, y'all. I'm really, really stinking proud of it. My cousin Vicky, she gave me the idea of doing pages with the little clusters on it. So thank you, Vicky. Thank you for that idea. And this is just so pretty, and I really think that it's going to make a beautiful addition to whatever junk journal that you make. This would be great filler pages. So thanks bunches. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you go click on the link down below and go check it out. I hope that you will use them. If you do, please hop on over to my Facebook page and let me see it. Just remember, it's going to be called Junk Journal Filler Pages, and they're just beautiful, and I'm excited about it, and I hope you enjoy. Listen, y'all have a great rest of your day, and tell me what you think down below in my down below in this video. Let me know. Give me some thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Also, if you don't mind, go check out my Amazon store. There's a lot of goodies down there as well. Thanks so much, everyone. I hope you enjoy this, and God bless, and we'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.